see red in the second.
Yeah.
A bit more cheering going on now.
What do your paddles look like?
The red and white. They're in the second.
Second, yeah.
Deirdre! Let's go, Marin!
Second boat.
Did she see?
No.
Deirdre!
Deirdre!
Second!
Second. Marine's the second and the girl. Female.
They're in first right now.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's do it. That's it.
Look at the distance we put on the net.
Yeah.
See this one over
Let's
here?
go!